Hi, my name is Srikiran. I'm the founder of Clap Smart Learn Private Limited, which owns and operates a brand called Young MBA. We focus on a specific product called Young MBA, which stands for Young Master of Business Aptitude. It's a entrepreneurial program for teenagers. Our school, they majorly focus on STEM education or STEAM education, as we know. It's called science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So that is where we majorly focus on. But what happens here? It's not that we have to provide them only science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. We should really make them think much more than that. They should be entrepreneurial in nature, whether they want to start a business or they want to work in any profession which they feel like they should more like an innovator. They should know much more, or they should think, act, and behave like an entrepreneur. So we found that gap, so we created a model called IME, which stand for Innovation Management, Economics, and Entrepreneurship. So over and above STEM education, we provide this coaching for the students on these four basic pillars of any professional, that is innovation, management, economics, and entrepreneurship. So the moment we realized that yes, this is one of the thing which we have to really train these teenagers, so they started our journey of this Clap Smart Learn Private Limited and our program Young MBA, that is Young Master of Business Aptitude, focus for teenagers. That is first and foremost thing, the objective of the program that makes us unique, because it's not just about making them entrepreneur, it's about creating that entrepreneurial behavior in them, or probably we can say it's about creating that knowledge, attitude, skill, and habit of an entrepreneur in a teenager and give them ample time to practice. And second thing, this is a blended learning mechanism where we have online and plus offline, but here we in online mode we provide something like simulated learning, where we provide a real gamified way of learning where they learn in team, and learn in team in the sense as it's they learn with two virtual characters. So we have two virtual characters, Edwin and Emma, who want to start a business. The moment student enroll for this program, he or she join as a future CEO of Edwin and Emma's company. So they're really going to live the life of an entrepreneur throughout this platform. We provide this 5 minutes video, and then after 5 minutes there is a gamified interaction or simulated interaction with the virtual characters. It act like a team discussion, and it is seamlessly can be performed in any device. So that is something which really is set as unique in terms of the learning mechanism. Plus we have live sessions as well. So we have a live session, plus apart from that we have created a community of young professionals, or probably all those teenagers who aspire to be global professional. We call it as Young CEO Club. So we have this Young CEO Club. Now we are 2500 in size, like those people have completed the program and started with the Young CEO Club. So under Young CEO Club we have events every month, and we have annual Young CEO Conclave. This is some unique aspects of our program, and all the sessions are designed and delivered by the world class professionals. No dilution in terms of the quality aspect of it. We started our journey in the month of February, and about the milestones we have achieved. So as we have started in February, and so far we have got 2500 students enrolled from India, Middle East, and surprisingly we have students even from Japan, Indians from Japan, those who have seen the advertisement and then board. So that is one of the great milestone, and we have launched in English. Now we are localizing the program, so we are going to launch in South Indian languages, like we will be launching it in Malayalam, Tamil, and Kannada, and Hindi as well, so by end of September. So that is the milestone which we have achieved so far. And more than that, we are coming up with a couple of other programs as well, which really helps the children to be unique, and it really transform them to a global professional. About the struggles which we faced during the pandemic, probably more than that struggles, I prefer to say it as an opportunity. So because this entire program has emerged because of the pandemic situation, or we got into this thought because our regular MBA students started learning through online mode. So that was a real eye-opener for us. Yes, there's a great opportunity exist, and students are being taught only STEM education. That was an opportunity which we converted this struggle. In terms of real struggle, if you ask me, as the struggle as we mentioned, one of the issue was getting the right talent. So we had to even to build our sales team, we had to make at least 80 to 100 interviews, and now people have a real mentality to work from home. And the productivity of work from home for us in terms of the sales organization, or probably in terms of we have to do a lot of video recordings, that was a big challenge because of the regulations, restrictions. It was difficult for us to get the experts to our studio floor and get the things recorded. And sometimes, the quality of recordings, if they're doing at home, it won't match with what we want to deliver. That was the issue. Another thing was about the getting the right talent. So that issue got solved probably the last after the second wave. So it was like it got improved. So one of the challenge was that, like, majorly getting the right talent. So about our future plans, now we are having one program, that is Young MBA for teenagers. Now, as we are getting quite good number of inquiries about how to start up the business, so we are going to launch a program for seniors, of those housewives, seniors and other people who want to really get into entrepreneurship journey. So we are going to launch a program for seniors, and we are coming up with a couple of other programs as well in localized languages. It's like regional languages in Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. So in different languages we will be launching programs. So we are majorly looking into localization of our various courses so that they can learn in this native language. That is one the plan for a future. And we are coming up with a fully gamified platform. We're coming up with a full gamified platform where people can really live the life of an entrepreneur in the virtual platform. It's almost like a second life which they can experience. So that's going to be a very interesting platform. So the research work is going on and the initial build-up is happening. So that's going to be a very unique and excellent way of learning. So it's going to be a fully game, and then you play the game and you learn while playing. That's the next thing. So we are going to take it across India, Middle East, and especially other SAARC nations. So we are basically looking into the SAARC nations for the time being. We have been associated with Open since the day we start Clap Smart Learn Private Limited. So all our transactions, the basic vendor payments to all the transactions which happens through Open. And secondly, we majorly depend Open system majorly to do our transactions in social media, because all the paid advertisements and all the things are happening through our the cards which are provided by Open. So the experience so far is excellent. So where the support system is being created by Open, it's quite commendable, because we get revert quite fast, and the issue it is there people to resolve the issue. So we are quite happy with the service. It's excellent way which they support the startups, because it's not just about providing a card, it's about the service which we have. Because many times if you have to use the social media campaigns using our major account card, it's slightly difficult. But in this Open card, we can just control the expenses. We can give add-on cards to the employees, so probably for the petty cash management. So now everything, almost all the transactions to all the vendor payments, automation of our salary to everything is happening through Open. That is where we majorly depend on Open service.